support system. These many different names. Okay, we are calling it as a querying tool. Why? Because being a tool, Cognos creates queries automatically. Anyhow, from Cognos end, we are having only select statement, no other statements. Why? Because the information already loaded into data warehouse. By using that information, we are going to we are going to prepare reports. Okay, that's why only select statement is there from Cognos and no other statements like insert, delete, no. Okay.
Oh, so Cognos actually won't do any DML operations except select?
Yeah, that is
okay.
Select, that is DML.
Select, insert, delete, update, among those, only select.
Okay. Yeah, only select statement, no other statement from Cognos end.
Oh.
Okay, not only DML, DDL, nothing is there, only select statement.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we are going to fire queries against to the database. The database, that may be data warehouse or ordinary OLTP system, or that may be flat file or Excel sheet, anything it may be. Okay, we are firing queries against, we are going to fire select statements only against the database, and we are going to prepare reports. Okay, being a tool, Cognos creates queries automatically. No need to write select star from, nothing required. Okay.
Okay. Can you be a little bit louder, please?
Yeah, my volume is 100% full, it seems. Okay, being a tool, Cognos creates queries automatically. Is this clear now?
Yeah, a little bit more if it's there.
Okay. And if you want to edit the SQL generated by Cognos, we can edit it. First of all, it will prepare queries automatically on its own. If we want to edit the SQL generated by Cognos, yes, we can edit. And the third one, if you want to write ourselves, we can write ourselves. Okay, I did not want to allow Cognos to write SQL. I can write myself. Last month, and what is the difference he wants to analyze. Okay, he requested us to prepare a report. We prepared, this is the sample output of the report. We'll discuss how to create this type of report in Cognos in the tool itself. This is just sample output only. Okay, here staff A, assume he generated 2 lakhs in August, September 2,20,000, and his performance increased by 20,000. One more, another staff B, assume he generated 2 lakhs in August, 1,80,000 in September, and difference, his performance degraded by 20,000. Again, in case of C, in August he generated 2 lakhs, and in September 2,50,000. His performance increased by 50,000. This type of report created, just submit the report to the manager who requested you. Now he is analyzing this report. A, okay, his performance increased, well and good. B, his performance degraded, what to do him? Give him some training, motivate him, otherwise terminate him. Like that. Surendra, am I audible? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Okay. B, his performance degraded, what to do with him? Give him some training, motivate him, otherwise terminate him. Like that, the managers are taking their own decisions depending on this type of reports.